Hello students, in our previous lecture we studied that Harish Singh didn't go by the train, even he decided to come back again to the Anil, and he had made his mind not to do the theft activity but to learn something new from Anil. Now he was on his way to Anil's room once again. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. So he first of all made his mind to learn something new from Anil, and with that intention only he was coming to the home. So he decided to be with Anil only. Then when he was coming to the home, so at that time he was feeling so nervous because there was one reason, as already he had stolen money. Then he was thinking I should be able to keep that money properly undetected. Detected it means without knowing to Anil. So he wanted to like that. Then as he reached at home, so he opened the door quietly and then again he just stood in the doorway. Actually that was a clouded moonlight, and then as he was wet due to the rain, so now first of all he just stood there at the doorway. Then again Anil was still asleep. Then Hari Singh came there and he just scraped the head of the bed. Then whatever notes he had kept there, now he just took out those notes, and then he was keeping those all the notes under the mattress. So for some time when he was keeping those notes under the mattress, so then his hands felt breath of Anil's. Then so for some time, as he just wanted to do these all the thing without detecting or without discovering, that's why he just remained still there for some time. Then again his hand found the edge of the mattress and then he just slipped those all the notes under the mattress. Then come to the next paragraph. I awoke next I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hands towards me. There was a 50 rupees note between his fingers. My hand sank. I thought I had been discovered. So on the next morning, he got up late. Actually, last night he was busy in that another theft related activity. So that's why he woke up a little bit of late on that morning. Then he found one thing. Anil had already made tea. Then, as soon as he woke up, at that time Anil just stretched his hands towards Hari Singh, and then there was a 50 rupees note between his finger. So at that time, see one phrase is used here. My heart sank. Heart sank, it means felt depressed. So he felt very depressed, and what was the reason? He thought there he had been discovered. Discovered it means the notes which were kept there under the mattress. He thought one thing. Definitely he had just detected it, and due to that now he is asking me reason why exactly I did like this. So that's why he felt a depressed a little bit, and then later on he was just thinking in his mind only he had been discovered by Anil. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. Then, as soon as he was just stretching that 50 rupees note to the Hari Singh, at that time he said he had made some money the day before, and then he was just saying one thing again. Now Hari Singh will be paid regularly, as he will be earning regularly. In the same sense, he is going to pay him regularly. Then my spirit rose. Spirit rose, it means became very hopeful. My spirit rose, but When I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. So as soon as he realized he was just supposed to pay him whatever amount was there of his salary, then first of all he was just depressed there. But as Anil said him, now you'll be paid regularly. Then again he became very hopeful, like he has not been discovered by Anil. But when he took that note, at that time he just saw that that note was still wet from the night's rain. Today we'll start writing sentences, he said. As already Anil had promised him, he was supposed to teach him to write sentences, to write words, even to add numbers, everything. So then he, as a part of that, he just made him clear that today they were going to start writing sentences. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. So he knew actually what had happened. The notes when he kept there under the mattress, Anil, those notes were totally dry. But when early in the morning he just checked those notes, so those notes were wet due to the night's rain. So that's why for some time he must have thought what may be the reason and all, but he realized that everything what had happened. But though he knew that everything, but still he didn't say anything to the Hari Singh. See, one word is used there. You can use that word for combining both sentences. But neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. So he didn't say anything. What exactly you have done? I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. So to attract somebody, Hari Singh was smiling in that most attractive way or appealing way. He smiled in the same sense, and now he is mentioning one thing that's very worthy point to mention here. Initially, whatever smile he was just giving to the people, at that time that was a fake smile. Right now, the kind of appealing smile or attractive smile he had given to the Anil, that was really natural one, because at that time he was so much happy, he was so much satisfied, and that's why only he is mentioning that smile came without any efforts. Okay, in this way our this lesson is ended. Now come to the certain activities. So as a part of our homework, you will have to do these activities. See, complete the wave diagram, Anil's virtues and Hari's vices. Virtues, it means whatever good qualities were there in Anil, you will have to write down like this, and activities should be drawn completely. Then Hari Singh's vices, whatever bad qualities were there in the in the Hari Singh, you will have to write it here. Then come to the second question. Insert the appropriate word or phrase given below in the sentences that follow. Here, see, total 6 sentences are given. At the same time, 6 words are also given here in the bracket. You will have to read the sentence, and according to its meaning, you will have to write those words. As an example, I will just tell you. First 2 examples I am telling you, remaining 4 you will have to do. See, I dash dash the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. Now here flattery we can't use, appealing also, by fits and starts also, but dash to is a word, that word you are going to use here. So I dashed the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. So according to the meaning, see, whatever these words are there, those words are already used there in the lesson. Accordingly, with the same meaning, these words are going to be used there in the following sentences. So in the first sentence, dash to will be used. Then after the death of my pet, my dash dash when dad got me new pup. Actually here spirit rose is the correct answer, because other words are not going to be suitable here, and we have to select the appropriate word only. So spirit rose is the correct answer. Remaining 4 questions are there, you will have to solve it by your own. Then come to the third activity. Find from the text the collocation for the following. Here what you will have to do, like certain words are there, like young man, then stray dog, then ticket office. In that way certain words are there, these words are already used there in the lesson. You will have to just write down those related words. So dog related word, stray dog. It means before the dog word there is one word that is used in the lesson. You will have to just speak those words and you will have to write it. So these all 7 words you will have to write there. You will have to find out those words from the lesson. Then come to the next, complete the compound words from the story. See, first it means one to example I'll tell you. See, oil rich. Then again whatever amount is there, so regarding that that word is there, like 55 or 50. Then again tower, clock tower. Then whatever these words are there, these words also I can tell you, but right now I just want you to work. You'll have to find these all the words from the lesson. It's quite easy. You just go through the lesson once and you will be able to solve these all the examples. Then now come to the next activity. Pick out from the story 3 or 4 examples of code mixing Indian words used in English. Like there are certain words, those words are used there in English. Actually those words are Hindi, but still those words are used there here in this lesson. Like pajama, then maidan. So certain another words are also there. You will have to find out those words and you will have to write down those words here in this question. Then come to the next question. Read the story carefully and complete the table. See, total character, number of characters, how many are there? 2. Then their names. One is Anil, second one is Hari Singh. Then their age, their physical appearance. Then again earn money by, exactly how they were earning the money, and the qualities which they possess. Accordingly you will have to draw this box and you will have to fill the information in an appropriate manner. This is how you will have to solve this question. Then come to the 5th question. Here complete the given sentences. See, total 5 examples are given there, so you just solve these 5 examples. First of all, read the lesson and from the lesson find out the answer of these 5 examples and you just note down there. But after writing answer you will have to underline these parts. Thank you very much.